Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Gen IT Learning, where we explore the coolest tech tools that make your life easier and your skills future ready. Now, imagine this. You want a professional website, but you don't know coding, design, or even where to start. Well, it's 2025, and guess what? You don't need to, because AI can literally build your entire website in just a few minutes. In today's video, I'll show you how to build a stunning, fully functional website using AI, step by step. Absolutely no coding required. We'll test real AI tools, customize the design, and publish your site live. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own website faster than making a cup of coffee. So make sure to watch till the end, because I'll also show you some secret AI tricks to add contact forms, chatbots, and even generate your content automatically. Let's get started. There are tons of AI website builders in 2025, but not all are worth your time. After testing more than 10 of them, here are my top 3 picks. 1. Durable.co. This one's insanely fast. Just describe your business in a few words, and Durable builds your full website with content, images, and a contact form in under a minute. 2. Thirdweb.io. Perfect if you want a WordPress-based site powered by AI. It lets you generate layouts, SEO text, and optimize everything automatically. 3. Hostinger AI Website Builder. Best for beginners. It helps you design pages, logos, and even brand color palettes using AI. For this tutorial, I'll go with Durable, because it's quick, simple, and futuristic, just the way we like it. Once you open Durable, the first question it asks is, what type of website do you want to create? Let's say we want to make a portfolio site for a freelance designer named Arav Patel. I'll type, a portfolio website for a freelance designer who creates websites, logos, and branding. Click Generate My Website, and boom! Look at that! In under 30 seconds, AI has built a homepage with intro text, service section, about section, contact form, plus automatically chosen stock images and colors. That's pure AI magic right there. Now let's tweak the site a bit, because while AI is smart, it doesn't always get your vibe 100% right. Click on any text, and Durable gives you AI writing options. For example, I'll replace the headline Creative Design Solutions with something catchier. Let's ask ChatGPT. Write a cool headline for a designer portfolio website. ChatGPT says, designs that speak louder than words. Perfect. Copy, paste, done. Next, let's swap an image. Click Replace Image. AI Image Generator. Type a minimalist workspace with a laptop and creative tools. Boom! AI-generated image in seconds. We just customized our entire site using AI. No Photoshop, no coding, no drama. Okay, your website looks great, but let's make it powerful. 1. Contact form. Durable adds it automatically, but you can connect it to your Gmail or Notion to get instant notifications. 2. AI chatbot. Head to Tidio or BotPress. Both let you add a chatbot with your own custom responses, trained using your website content. 3. Analytics and SEO. Go to the SEO and Analytics tab. Enable AI optimization. Durable will suggest meta titles, descriptions, and even connect to Google Analytics automatically. And yes, you can do all of this in under 5 minutes. Now comes the fun part. Publishing. Click Publish Website. Choose your domain name, for example, aravdesigns.durable.co, or connect your own custom domain. And that's it. Your website is live. Literally, in under 10 minutes, we've gone from an idea to a professional live website, all powered by AI. Since this is next-gen IT learning, we're not stopping at basic websites. Let's add something futuristic. Web3 integration. If you're into blockchain or crypto, you can use Thirdweb to add wallet login or NFT display directly on your site. Example, go to thirdweb.com, click Connect Wallet. Component, copy the generated JavaScript code, paste it into your site's code editor. Durable allows script insertion in the Advanced tab. Now your visitors can log in using their crypto wallets. Welcome to the Web3 era. So let's summarize everything we just did today. Chose an AI website builder, generated content and images, automatically customized it with ChatGPT and AI tools, added forms, chatbots, and analytics, published it live, integrated Web3 login, and we did all of that without writing a single line of code. Seriously, this is the future of web development. Fast, smart, and powered by AI. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It helps more learners discover our tech content. Comment below, which AI website builder are you going to try first? And don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen IT Learning, because next week we're diving into the 2025 Web Development Roadmap with AI tools. You don't want to miss it. This is Payush from Next Gen IT Learning, helping you stay ahead in the digital world. Until next time, keep learning, keep creating, and keep pushing the future forward.